back to my channel. Today we'll be doing an eyelash tutorial. So if you want to see how I get my eyes all glammed up, then continue watching. So first we are gonna need our scissors, our tweezer, our glue, and of course we are gonna need some lashes. So when taking out our lash from the package, we use our tweezer and we grip it from the outer end. I do this because I don't want when I'm taking off my lash, it messes up with the inner part of the eye. So that's why I take it out from the end of the lash. And how to know where the end of the lash is that the inner part of the eye is short and the longer part of the lash, that's the outer part of the eye, or that should be on the outer part of the eye. Alright, so this is how I hold my mirror when I'm applying my lash. So I hold the mirror a little bit downwards. It's not too much up in my face where my eyes are looking up. I have to look downwards so I can apply it on top of my lash line. So right here I'm just measuring the length of the lash to see if it fits my eye length. So that's where the scissors comes in. If it's too long for my eyes, then that's when I'm gonna cut the outer part of the lash. So here it has no glue, I'm just measuring and that length is good, so I'm gonna go with it. So now I'm going to use my duo glue, my go-to, my #1 glue, and I'm going to apply it to the band, the inner part of the band on the lash. I don't apply it on the outer part because that doesn't make any sense or that's just how I do it. I apply it on the inner part of the lash, and that's the part I'm going to be placing down on top of my lash line. So I also go ahead with the glue and I place it on my lash line so I can have a good grip and so that the lash can serve me a good amount of time. Yeah, so that's how I do it. That's just my technique of applying lashes. Now I'm blowing on my lash. I do this because this is my personal lash. When applying it to a client, no, I never do that. When applying it to a client, I just use my hand and fan it back and forth until the glue gets clear like. That's when it's really tacky. So as you can see, the inner part of the lash, that's the shorter part, that is tacky. So I'm just gonna blow it a bit until it's all clear, then I'm gonna apply it. Again, I'm holding my mirror downwards and I am looking straight down so I can still see what I'm doing, and I just place it on top of my lash line. And when I think I have a good shape or it's set properly on the eyes, I just go in with my fingers and give it a little squeeze, or go in with my tweezer and clamp it down so I can squeeze it on my natural lashes. And after I squeeze it down, I just give it a little brush up to get my curls intact, or there's a curl at the end, and there you have it. Just so quick and simple, easy. Well, it's easy to me now, but it does take practice, guys. It does take a lot of practice because when I just started, all on top of my eyebrow, my eyelash there. So here I'm just showing if I'm to give it a cut, that's the outer part of the lash, and that's where I would cut. But I won't be cutting this because it does fit my eye perfectly. So again, I'm giving it a little blow and then I'm going to be applying it on my lash line. Okay, now I'm going in with my mascara, and I'm just going to put some under the lash to blend my natural lash with the falsies. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm just gonna go in under my eyes and add some mascara just to give the whole eye a little pop. So yeah, we're finding those Insta Beauty lashes under there and we're just highlighting them. And there you have it, guys. This is the final look. I hope this video was very helpful to you. If you haven't subscribed yet, then go and do so. Hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye.